Hi friends, in this video, we will learn more about the scope of variables. In Python, every defined variable has a well-defined scope. That is, it is accessible by a part of the program and it cannot be accessed from outside its scope. Based on this scope of accessibility, there are two types of variables: local variables and global variables. Let us go ahead and learn more about them in detail, starting with local variables. A local variable is defined inside a function or a code block and can be only accessed where it is defined. It exists only during the execution of the function or the code block. For example, let us define a function. The name of the function is triple and it accepts an argument and assigns it to a parameter a. In the body of the function, the value of a is multiplied by 3 and it is assigned to variable result. Next, the value of result is output inside the function and the function body ends. Note, there is no return statement, so the function does not return any value. Now, in the main code block, let us call the function and pass integer 3 as an argument. Now, go ahead and print the value of variable result after it is evaluated in the previous function call. Let us execute the script. When triple 3 is executed, the argument 3 is multiplied by 3 and stored in the variable result, which is output when the print function is called. Hence, we obtain the output inside :9, which is the value of variable result inside the function. When we try to print the value of result outside the function, the Python interpreter raises a name error as we are trying to access the variable result outside its scope. As variable result is defined inside the function, it is a local variable which can only exist and can be only accessed inside the function. At times, we might want to access certain useful values that are relatively constant, like file paths, session IDs, or other such values, anywhere in the source code, like inside any function, class, or any code block. It is possible to do so in Python via global variables. Global variables are defined at script level, outside any function or class, and they are visible to everyone. Let us understand it better using some examples. Let us assign the value 10 to a variable n. Since it is defined at script level, that is outside any class or function, it is a global variable. Now, let us define a function uno which prints the value of global variable n. Now, let us create another function trace which multiplies n by 3 and outputs the resulting value. Let us call both the functions and execute the script. You can see how the global variable n is visible to both the functions and we obtain the desired output 10 and 30 respectively. In case a variable is defined inside a function with the same name as that of a global variable, then the variable is considered as a local variable and all references made to the variable point to this local variable. Any changes made to this variable does not overwrite the contents of the global variable. Now, let us modify the uno function. Assign int 5 to n and output the value of n. Do not modify the trace function. Let us call both the functions and execute the script. As the variable n defined inside the function uno has the same name as that of the global variable, the variable n is considered a local variable inside the uno function and any modification made to it does not change the value of the global variable n. Thus, uno function prints the value of local variable n, that is 5, whereas trace prints the value of the global n, which is unchanged, multiplied by 3, that is 30. In case you want to modify the value of a global variable inside the function, you can use the global keyword to let the Python interpreter know that all references are being made to the global variable. Any changes made to a global variable inside a code block or a function can modify it for that session, which can have an impact on all the code blocks or functions that access and use it. Now let us go through an example where we modify the value of a global variable inside a function. Modify the uno function by adding a global statement which lets the Python interpreter know that all references made to n are being made to the global variable n. Assign int5 to n and output the value of n. Do not modify the trace function. Let us call both the functions and execute the script. As uno function modifies the value of global variable n, the value 5 is printed. Now, when the trace function is executed, it accesses the global n which was modified by the uno function and outputs its value multiplied by 3, that is 15.